Okay, so we're going to go over basically the three most commonly used ways of multiplying. So the first, sorry, my board is so dirty. Let me see if I can switch this out. All right, so we have an area model would be for first. So let's do 43 times 57. Okay, so we got 43 times 57. You can definitely set this up with an area model by expanding 43 into 40 plus 3, draw a square, and then write a line where your plus sign is, multiplied by 57. We expand 50 plus 7. Break it up. So in this box, we're going to do 50 times 40. I know that 5 times 4 is 20, and then I ignored 2 zeros. 50 times 3, I know that 5 times 3 is 15, add 1 0. Down here, I'll do 7 times 40. 7 times 4 is 28, add 1 0. 7 times 3, that's going to be 21. So now what I need to do is add all of these together. Well, I know I can do 2,000 plus 150. That's going to get me 2,150. And then I'll add 280 to that. So I got 0 plus 0, that's going to be 13. That's going to be 2, 3, 4. And there we go. We just got to add that 21 now. So we got 1, 5, 4, 2. So 2,451. That should be our product. Okay, let me make that a little neater. Okay, now that's an area model. The second way we can do it is with standard algorithm. So we have 43 times 57. So 7, I think about this like a party, right? So 7 needs to meet 3. 7 times 3 is 21. I drop the 1, carry the 2 to the next place, because 7 is about to meet 4. So I need to be prepared, plan in advance. 7 times 4 is 28, plus 2 more is going to be 30. I can drop the 3 because that's the last digit up here that 7 is going to meet. If I had a piece of paper and I was doing this, I would scratch out my 2. But since I'm using a whiteboard, I'm just going to erase it because I'm already done. 7 leaves the party, 0 the hero comes in. 5 times 3 is 15, so I'm going to drop the 5, carry the 1. 5 times 4 is 20, plus 1 more is going to be 21. Once again, I can drop my 2 because I would just have to bring it over here, but there's nothing there. Okay? I add these together. 1 plus 0 is 1. 0 plus 5 is 5. 3 plus 1 is 4. And 2 plus nothing is 2. So we got 2,451, which matches up. Now, the third way that we can do this is basically take standard algorithm, but break it up into steps. So 43 times 57. We'll take 43, multiply it by 7, which is down here, then 5. So 43 times 5. But that's not actually a 5, that's actually a 50. So I'm going to add a 0 to the end of my answer to kind of show me that this is 50. Like if you look at it like that right there, is kind of 50. So I'll start here. 7 times 3 is 21. Drop the 1, carry the 2. 7 times 4 is 28. Plus 2 more is 30. So that's done. That first step is done. Check. 5 times 3 is 15. I drop the 5, carry the 1. Prepare. So 5 times 4 is 20. Plus 1 is going to be 21. We can drop it all. So that means that 43 times 5 is 215, but since that's not a 5, we add a 0 to the end. It's kind of like the tens trick, the zeros trick. 43 times 5 would get you 215, but that's not actually 5, that's a 50. So we can just add a 0 to the back like we did there, right? So remember that zeros trick, it helps. Now we're going to take this and add it to our other product. This is part of the product, part of the product. These are partial products. I add 301. 0 plus 1 is 1. 5 plus 0 is 5. 1 plus 3 is 4. And 2 plus nothing is 2. So I got 2,451, which matches up. All three of those strategies is okay. Whatever works for you and whatever is most efficient for you is fine.